Yes, Madam Chair, I'm intending to pass this on second reading. Second reading only.
Because on the third reading, if it is passed on the second reading, all you have to say is yes or no to the ordinance. There is no more discussion on third reading.
Yes, Madam Chair. I'm well aware, Madam Chair, that if I pass this on third reading, it will be only on...
But the problem is, on the third reading, kung may mga comments or suggestions ang councilor nga hindi mo ma-cater, there's a possibility nga hindi mapasar.
Yeah, there is no more debate on the third reading. That's the rule. I think you have to defer this if some need to further discuss or suggest. Especially if you are accepting suggestions from Dr. Hiliada. So I think you need to defer this.
You can no longer accept suggestions sa third reading.
Yes, Madam Chair. I'm well aware, Madam Chair.
So, may possibility nga ang councilor may gusto siya i-suggest, hindi na lang siya magboto kay kulang.
Yes, Madam Chair. So, maybe I can accept the suggestions of my fellow councilors and also from our resource speaker, Dr. Hiliada. And for the meantime, I'll just defer the passing of this ordinance for second reading and we'll calendar this again, Madam Chair, on the next regular session. So, move to defer this ordinance for second reading, Madam Chair.
It has been moved and a second has been seconded. Here no objections. Motion is carried. Thank you, Councilor Malabor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you for the effort. Advance congratulations. Ara kami da sa imo.